Did you know that Yoel Romero said he's never touched a weight in his life? He's only done calisthenics? Yo, what's going on, everyone? The Cool Geek here, and welcome back to CoolGeek Defence, a place where we geek out over martial arts and self-defense. I'm an ISSA certified personal trainer, mixed martial artist, and future UFC champion. So, recently on an episode of the Joe Rogan Experience, George Masvidal said that Yoel Ramero told him that he's never lifted a weight in his entire life, and all he does for strength and conditioning is calisthenics. Calisthenics is a type of workout that uses your body weight to build strength, endurance, flexibility, and if you eat in a caloric surplus, it even helps you build size. Again, if you eat in a caloric surplus. Unlike weightlifting, which relies on external weights, calisthenics uses your own body weight, making it a versatile and accessible form of exercise for people of all fitness levels. Common calisthenics exercises include push-ups, squats, lunges, pull-ups. They can be performed anywhere, from your home to somewhere like a park and even in the gym. Most calisthenics exercises are compound exercises, which means they work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, providing a full body workout that helps develop overall strength and endurance. Also, since they use your own body weight, they inherently increase your strength to weight ratio, which is amazing for martial arts, especially when you're fighting in a weight class and you don't just want to be strong, but also strong for your size. Calisthenics can be performed anywhere, anytime, making it a perfect option for those who don't have access to a gym or prefer to work out at home. You can do calisthenics in your living room, backyard, or local park. Calisthenics exercises can help improve your flexibility, balance, and coordination, as they require your body to move in different directions and planes of motion. So, assuming you're doing them with a full range of motion, calisthenics helps strengthen your muscles through a full range of motion, which is extremely beneficial for martial arts. Because calisthenics exercises use your own body weight as resistance, there is less of a risk of injury than with weightlifting, which relies on external weights that require specific technique required to optimize safety. Calisthenics are also often performed for high reps, which is good for joint health and longevity because it increases blood flow to the joints involved in the movement. Another thing that helps with injury prevention is hitting the like button that's right next to the subscribe button. Calisthenics exercises can be easily modified to suit your fitness level, making it a great option for beginners who are just starting out, as well as seasoned athletes looking for a new challenge. Also, calisthenics does less damage to your joints and connective tissue than weights do, so you can recover from them much faster, which means more time to dedicate to your craft. Before starting on your calisthenics journey, it's important to set realistic goals that you can work towards over time. This could be something as simple as doing 10 push-ups in a row, or as complex as mastering a full planche. When starting out with calisthenics, like anything, it's important to master the basics before moving on to more advanced exercises. Make sure to incorporate calisthenics exercises into your regular workouts and try work out at least 3 to 4 times a week to see the best results. Start with the basics, set realistic goals, and be consistent, and you'll soon see the amazing benefits that calisthenics has to offer. If you want to see a comprehensive series on how to win every fight, click the link on screen.